everybody. I am coming to you today from Mountain View, Arkansas, and I am very excited to be here because this is a quaint, charming little town, and I am going to be staying for the next couple of nights here at Wildflower B&B. And I've already gone inside. I've already had a great time talking to the owner and the innkeeper, and we've been sitting in their little lobby area having a coffee and just chatting like Southerners do. So I'm excited to get lost around the town while I'm here and discover things, and I'm just excited to be here in Mountain View. I've been really looking forward to Mountain View for a while now. So let's go inside and get lost at Wildflower B&B. Okay, everybody, well, I am headed out now from the Wildflower B&B here in Mountain View, Arkansas. Words can't express what a time I've had here. Honestly, this is one of the greatest joys I've ever experienced in my life, truly. The owner of Wildflower, I think, is the nicest human being I've ever met in my life. I'm not even exaggerating. I'm being completely sincere about that. Just took me around town, showed me all the sights of Mountain View, introduced me to the whole town. Yesterday, I got to do amazing things, but really he's just the nicest person. And this B&B, this cottage that I was staying in, couldn't have been more comfortable. It was my own little pad for a couple of nights. I had my own little fire in the living room, cozy little warm fire, and as you can see, it's still really snowy outside, but look at my view with this beautiful barn. Yesterday morning it was sunny out and just stunning. I have a fully furnished kitchen with everything I could want or need. The bed is not made, so pardon the mess. This bed was the best bed I've slept on since I've been driving cross country. Super comfortable. The sheets were amazing. They have the sheets for sale, I saw, in their merchandise department. I'm gonna go home today with a couple of items. They have a gift shop in the lobby area, and they have these mugs that they have in the kitchen. I'm gonna go home with one of these that say Wildflower B&B. And I'm going home with their Wildflower B&B cookbook, which has the recipe for that blueberry French toast casserole. So I'm going to be making some Southern cuisine once I get to my new location. So I've had an amazing time. Can't recommend them enough. Make sure that when you stay in Mountain View, you stay here at Wildflower B&B. And when you do, make sure to let them know that Lisa sent you. And until next time, everybody, don't get lost without me.